Hello guys, a lot of you have been facing difficulties in removing unwanted sounds from your video. Well, on today's episode, I'm going to help the creators of today how to remove your sounds with CapCut. From this to this, it's as easy as doing it in less than 2 minutes. All you need is just your CapCut for free. Dive in with me, let me show you. Now, go download that CapCut now. Guys, the first thing, you go to your app store, you search CapCut, then you open it. Search CapCut, then you open it. You download it if you don't have it. Once you get your CapCut, click on new project. Once you click on new project, you search the video you want to work on. There's the video. Then you just click on the video first, tap on it, then scroll down to where you see reduce noise. Click on reduce, then on it. Once you on it, the voice background or whatever, it should clear and to be able to go. I'm going to be showing you guys how I improved my video color gradient from. So this is how I did, guys. It's very easy and direct. Color gradient from this type of. Try and work for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Sumo, this new type of videos which I'm doing. Let somebody see this video too. Don't have a vision for another person. So share, follow, subscribe, like, comment. So whatever you want me to do for you guys. Let's grow together, guys. Thanks for watching.